Hi everyone. Today we would like to share with you this Marantz integrated amplifier model number PM68. This model was under production from 1996 to 1998, and this comes in two colors: champagne, this one, and also in the black color. This is quite a beast amplifier. It's very heavy, almost 13-14 kilo of the weight, but also it provides a lot of power. And at the 8 ohms speaker, it can push 105 watts to the each channel, and the dynamic power with the 8 ohms into two speakers around 122 watts, and at the 4 ohms, of course, the power goes high up to 185 watts, and 2 ohms speaker, if you, it's almost 198 200 watt per channel. But of course we don't need that much power to listen the music, but it's quite very powerful amplifier. And if you see, it has the basic features, and next to the phones you have a speaker 1 and speaker 2 selector. You can also select speaker 1 and 2 at the same time, or you can choose one. And this is the recording selector, basically source off, and 1 into 2 and 2 into 1, and the tape copy is here. And usually you need to keep it off. This is selector for the tape 1 and tape 2. This LED over there is for muting. This is the bass, treble, and balance, source direct. This is the volume control, and all the potentiometers, when you touch them, they feel very, very heavy and very nice. So for sure, high quality variable resistors, potentiometers, Marantz use for all the controls, including volume, balance, treble, and bass. Of course, this is a selector button for the recording, and this one here is for the source input, and you have the LED showing you where you are. This is the rotary knob. This for the phono, you see the LED, and when you move to the CD, tuner, auxiliary 1, auxiliary 2, but it can goes either way, left or right. So the LED is the indicator which source input is selected. So this is the front layout, very basic for the power amplifier. Very nice. It looks also good, and it sounds also good. I will do a sound test and the other video, because I need to test some CD player and the speaker with it in the combination. So this is just an overview to show you how it look like and feel like this PM68 amplifier from Marantz. Quite sought after, and still it's on the available on the eBay and other e-commerce website from 300 euro plus minus. So when this was launched between 1996 and 1998, it was offered to sell 800 Deutsche Mark in Europe. It was his price I found out on the internet. Let me show you the input connection and output connection on the back side. So this is the back end. You have the phono input connection with the ground also, which is very nice. And this phono and CD, they are gold-plated inputs. And tuner, auxiliary 1, auxiliary 2, and this is processor in and out. And also this is tape 1 and tape 2. One is in, one is out for both one. And of course, these are the speaker connectors. So this is a speaker number 2, and this is speaker number 1. Right channels, left channel. And you have also remote control in and out. If you have the same Marantz devices, you can use and share one remote control to control your CD player, tuner, whatever. If they are all Marantz, you can use them. And also you can share output switched total 100 watt maximum output from this 3. So you have to connect only amplifier to the power outlet, and you can feed your CD player, your tuner, your tape deck, or any other source through this one. And speakers, which I have shown you, system 1, if you use this 8 to 16 ohms, and system 2 is also 8 to 16 ohms, but when you use combined plus 1 and 2, then equivalent 60 ohms of the impedance for the speakers. Very nice and very high quality amplifier made in Singapore, not Japan. It says made in Singapore, Japan and Singapore. So this one maybe they design in Japan, but it's produced in Singapore. You can see it's here mentioned. Excellent. And we got this from Radio Fortune. Just tested everything on 26th of February 2025, and it's working perfectly in a good order. Yeah, very nicely done. All the features, tape 1, tape 2, and the selector is also good quality. When you use them, you have feel that internal components are high quality. Of course, when you this is the balance control also good. Direct source, direct treble, bass. Yeah, excellent amplifier for daily use. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.